They all say you have to love yourself to grow. Thus, I would laugh at that, not because it's false, but because it's incomplete. See, most people think self improvement means smiling more, meditating, eating clean, waking up at 5 a.m., like they are on some Instagram monk guide. But does I? No. His kind of his kind of self improvement is darker, sharper. It begins where most people flinch in the mirror, leans forward, eyes heavy. Here's the first step. To truly change, you must be willing to destroy who you are. Burn the script, question your instincts, because if your habits were serving you, you wouldn't be in this hollow. You wouldn't feel like you're 2 seconds away from vanishing. Dazai didn't climb out of the darkness by pretending it wasn't there. He sat in it, smoked in it, slept in it. He stared it down until it blinked first. Self improvement isn't always motivational. Sometimes it's surgical. You dissect your mind. You peel back the lies you have been telling yourself. That you are not good enough, that you are broken, that the world owns you comfort. No one is coming. Not for you, not for me. And once you swallow that, you become dangerous because now you are not waiting. You are building in silence. Tazai mastered the art of detachment from people, from praise, from the illusion of safety. He could look at a situation and say, "This will destroy me. Good, let it." Pain sharpens people. Pain sharpens people like him. He didn't run from the void, he used it as a mirror. That's secret too. That's secret too. Embrace solitude. Not because you hate people, because the best parts of you only surface when no one's watching. When you are alone long enough, you stop pretending. You meet yourself, the real you, the one who doesn't lie to survive. The third secret, control, not of others, of yourself. Dazai never let his chaos leak. That smile, that charisma, it was a mask. Not to hide but to disarm. Because when you know what's break you and you don't break, you become the most dangerous man in the room. So here's the truth. Self improvement isn't always bright. Sometimes it's brutal. It's crying at 3 a.m. and still waking up at 6. It's trusting no one and still showing up at grace. It's turning your scars into blueprints. Dazai didn't find peace, he forged it in the fire. And if you want to follow that path, you have to lose your comfort, bury your weakness, and make the darkness your ally. Some flowers only bloom at night, fade to black.